Hello, my name is Pondamali Eme. Yeah, you can see me. And I just wanted to make a quick video testimonial about an SEO team that worked for me on my website. Actually, the team's address, I think it's W3Era, W3, is it W3Era? Yeah, it's this one, W3Era Digital Marketing Company. They worked on my website, which is your privatedriver.be. Yeah, this is my website, yourprivatedriver.be. It's a taxi booking website based in Brussels, Belgium. Okay, what I wanted to say is these people, these SEO team, they really took me from like nowhere to number one, or to amongst the number one. The proof is, if I open, one of my main keywords is taxi Brussels, taxi Brussels airport. And if I click on this taxi Brussels airport, you can see me. Where am I? Okay, first of all, you see Google detects that this is my website, and it shows that about the click improved 100%, impressions improved, oh my god, we don't see what, 246% improvement, and position I've gained like 22 positions. And in the natural results, if we come here, we are on the first page, and you can see me. I'm there. That is my website on the first page, and we've done work for them like for, oh my god, for like 2 months only. And if I tap taxi, taxi from Brussels airport to Bruges, people who know Belgium, they know that Bruges is a very, very touristic place where we are likely to get many clients. So if we look at the results, I'm here again, still on first page. On many keywords, I've come from nowhere to first page. So, this is just a testimony to say that these people, they know what they are doing, they do very good work, and they can take a website from zero to number one. Okay, I don't want to be very, very long. And you see, if I click here, if I click on the link, you see it's again my website that comes, yourprivatedriver.be. Okay, and that is it. So bye. That was my testimony. So the team again, this is the team. W3Era digital marketing company. They are there, and this is me. I'm not a fake person. I'm a real person. Bye bye.